Hello and welcome to another Qwick Tips. This one here is, you can actually use it for more than just Arsene, but I mainly use it for Arsene, but I wound up doing it for other things though also. And that is, a lot of people take prescriptions and that, and I will go and I will save the bottles. I'll take the labels off, but I'll save the bottles and I'll use the bottles for storing stuff. And so like in here there's spring cups, here there's body washers, wheel nuts, Dean's connectors, I mean pretty much anything small you could put into a pill bottle. And so I do that because it helps to keep them organized. One of the other things, they're clear, so you can see what's inside without needing to really label it. And so that helps and makes it a little bit better, so that then you can use them for several different things. You can see here my Dale Jr. bucket. Yes, I was a Dale Jr. fan before he retired. Anyways, I have several different types of containers. Had some receivers come through, but then there's several different sizes of pill bottles also. And so depending on what you're needing to put in, you can have different sizes. There's also different types of caps. Like these are quick, easy pop tops, so you can just pop it off and go. Like body clips, this would be a really good one. Everybody's always losing body clips, so quick on and off. If you're wanting it to be a little bit more secure, you can use the twist on type. And they still have them in different sizes too. So I go and I collect them. I usually will have maybe 3 of each size, just so that I don't get overwhelmed with them. I try not to be a pack rat or anything like that, so that's why I limit myself to how many I keep collected. So anyways, that's your quick tip for today, and hopefully it'll help you guys out. Maybe help you get a little bit more organized, and make it so you can focus on having more fun and keep Arsening. So until next time, have fun and keep Arsening. Bye.